All right, so we're going to talk about the levels of organization we have, and we're going to start with the body, and we're going to go all the way through to the basics of ecology here. So we start with cells. Cells are going to make tissues. Tissues are going to come together to form, anybody know?
Humans.
Not yet. Organs. So a muscle would be an organ, like muscle cells make muscle tissues, and those come together to make muscles, which are the organs. So tissues make organs. Organs are going to make up
Humans.
organ systems. So we're just building. So cells make tissues, tissues make organs, organs make organ systems. Now when I say organ systems, I'm referring to the digestive system, the muscular system, the skeletal system, the integumentary system, the nervous system, all the systems of your body, okay? And all those systems come together to make
Humans.
an organism. Whether that be humans,
organs.
or whether that be animals or plants or fungi or protists, whatever it is, they make organisms. An organism's a living thing. Now, an organism, a bunch of organisms are going to come together. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to group all this together.
Technology.
Imagine.
And I'm going to move this over here.
That's my thing.
That's too many.
And then I'm going to restart over here just because I can't fit it all on one list. That'd be too much. So from organisms, a bunch of organisms are going to make up what's called,
Groups.
what is a group of organisms? Like if I have a group of deer or a group, it's in an ecosystem, it's living things, but a group of all of the same amount of living things.
Wait, you got two organisms on there.
I know, because I'm just continuing the list here.
I forgot what it's called.
Economy. Nope, that's not.
A group of organisms make a population.
I see.
Okay? Population is referring to one type of organism and how many of those organisms are in one area. Now, when I get a bunch of populations together,
You get cities.
well, not cities, but I get a community.
Same thing.
Okay? So a community is all the living things that are in an area, all the populations. So all the populations are going to make up the community. So like right here in this community, obviously there's people,
Yeah.
there's dogs, there's deer, there's cats,
Raccoons.
there's foxes, raccoons, but
Possums.
possums. Okay, but hold on. There's also mosquitoes and bees and ants and wasps. Wait though, we're still in the animal world here. Let's expand. We've got grass, we've got
Plants.
pine trees, we've got oak trees,
Flowers.
flowers,
Pine cones.
but also, hold on. There's also bacteria. There's also fungi, which are mushrooms. You've got all kinds of different living things that make up the community. Now,
Hold up, I got a question. Can't you just take cells from dinosaur bones and make this one?
No.
hold that for after the video. Okay? So when we have the community, we're going to add in the non-living things, and that's going to give us our ecosystem. That's going to give us our ecosystem when we add in, I won't say plus, the non-living components. So what would the non-living components of an ecosystem be?
Houses,
Which were made of,
wood,
Woods. Trees.
okay, but what would,
Water.
shingles,
water, that would be a non-living component. What else? What are the
Rocks.
abiotic factors?
rocks, dirt,
Rocks,
dirt,
dirt,
Air.
air, weather. Those are all part of an ecosystem. And eventually, you get all the ecosystems. So think of the different types of ecosystems. Deserts, tropical, temperate, tundras, all these different temperate forests. You've got all these different tundras like the North Pole, South Pole, snow and ice.
I thought it was a truck.
So you've got all these different ecosystems that make up the biosphere. Now, what did bio mean? Living, life, and where do we find life in our solar system?
Earth.
On
If
Earth,
it's breathing.
and Earth is shaped like a
Circle.
They're looking
Sphere.
at
a sphere. So the living sphere, the biosphere, is referring to Earth, our planet Earth.
Actually,
Okay?
they found water on
Water that would have been there